You probably know about the Xbox mode in Windows 11. It turns your Windows 11 into a console. It is actually pretty good, and some reports suggest that it actually gives you better performance while you're gaming. But guess what? There is a third-party alternative to Xbox mode. It is called Winhanced, the Windows gaming experience the community asked for. Every game you own, every emulator you have in one place. It supports every game library out there like Steam, Xbox, Epic, GOG, PlayStation, Game Pass, xCloud, GeForce Now, even the third-party emulators like RetroArch, Dolphin. Add anything Winhanced couldn't find on its own. So you can add your custom games in here, any exe. First officially supported Xbox mode home. So there is this option in Xbox mode where you can choose which app you want to have as a main interface. So you can choose this app as your main Xbox mode instead of the Xbox. Right now, if I go to Xbox mode here, I don't actually see that option. I basically have a half-baked Xbox mode in here, but I can still use the Winhanced. So let's actually download this. This is a free application, by the way, but it's not open source. You have to join the Patreon to get the early access, and you can also get it for free. No sign in, no account, download and run. So let's actually download it. To install it, it took longer than I expected, almost like 5 minutes. It needed to download lots of dependencies and all that. So the setup is complete. Let's launch it, and this is how it launches. And this is the user interface. To be honest, it looks kind of similar to Xbox mode, but it has a little bit more features. Basically, you can add almost anything in here. If you go to library here, in all games, these are all the games that I have installed on my system. This HANA is actually not a game. It automatically added. It's actually a program called NanaZip, which means 7-zip in Japanese. It's not a game, but it thinks that this is a game. So maybe there are some misunderstanding in here. Maybe this is a bug. The game art is also wrong because it's again not a game. So let's actually launch a game. I have this Minecraft. There is one interesting feature in this that Xbox doesn't have. Now, when you're in the game, you press Windows plus G. It opens a built-in game bar. Here you'll find a Winhanced HUD. With this, you get a overlay of your system performance. There are multiple presets. It's under performance overlay level. So you can choose level 1, you'll get FPS and battery info. Level 2, you get FPS, GPU and CPU info, and there are autopilot 1 and autopilot 2. And there are many other options like CPU boost. When you're playing the game, it will automatically boost your CPU. You can change the resolution on the go, a refresh rate, and we have game options. Here we can go back to game, pause game, suspend game, exit game. This is just better than the game bar's built-in performance option. It shows you this tiny window. I can pin this, obviously, but it blocks the view of the game wherever you have placed it. The Winhanced HUD is just better. The best thing about Winhanced is the ability to add any game or any app into the library. And another thing, when you're using Winhanced, it doesn't make your second monitor go blank. If you use Xbox, it makes your second monitor blank for some reason. Maybe this is a bug, or maybe Microsoft hasn't decided what to do with the second monitor when you're in game mode, but it's blank. Basically, you can't use your second monitor if you're in the game mode, which is actually really annoying. If you're a gamer, streamer, you want to use your second monitor while you're gaming, but Winhanced is better. There are some controls at the top which look better than the Xbox. You can search for the game, you can control your volume, there is a Bluetooth option, your internet option, there is a power option. Here you can minimize the app, quit Winhanced. There are system controls like sleep, hibernate, restart system, shutdown system. Let's quit the Winhanced. Now let me actually show you guys the Xbox mode. So this is the homepage of Xbox mode. You have only exit Xbox mode option in here. In some cases, what I have noticed is that Xbox mode works better if you add a custom app or game. It will automatically make the game or app in full screen, and when you press the Windows key, it gives you the overview of all the apps that you have opened, which is not same in Winhanced. If you're using mouse and keyboard and you press the Windows key, it will actually open the Windows start menu, which I don't like. I think the Winhanced will work better if you have this option in Xbox mode. Choose home app. Here there will be two options. If you install the Winhanced will appear here and you can choose that. So when you switch to the full screen experience or Xbox mode, it will automatically launch the Winhanced and you'll probably get better experience. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.